unrecognizable makeup is blowing up on TikTok right now.
Are you breaking up with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you breaking up with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Real swag.
I will jump on the trend and show you my take with Douyin transformation makeup tutorial today.
And at the end, I will surprise Mr. Paperback and see his reactions. Let's see if he even recognizes me. Alright, let's get into it. I know clean girl makeup is still gonna be a thing, and the Korean clean girl look is cute if you already have nice features, but not for me. I need something that really pops. I want a look that makes you go wow the moment you see it. Okay, let's see how far Douyin makeup can take me. So I'm using this super pale foundation. Applying it with a metal spatula helps prevent thickness, but I'm using my budget version, a table knife, and honestly, it works better than I thought. You can see this pale foundation is way lighter than my skin. I actually went into the store and asked for the lightest one they had. The saleswoman, who was gorgeous with brown skin, gave me a kind of weird look. Not sure if she thought I was being rude or just confused. But honestly, I just wanted a super white makeup look for this video. I don't normally wear this shade. So keep pressing the foundation into your skin gently and don't forget your neck. Otherwise, it will look like two different colors. Looks kinda weird, right? Don't worry, trust the process. So now apply contour on your nose to make it look slimmer. You can see my nose is bigger than the Douyin girls. Use a brush to blend it in circular motions for an even look. Just keep blending to make it look smooth. Add some shading to the bottom of your nose tip to give it more dimension. Basically, you are sculpting your nose. Keep blending in circles to smooth out the color. Now here's the tricky part. I'm shading the size of my nose rings to create the illusion of a smaller nose. I can't cut down my nose rings, but I can make them less visible. Alright, it's not slim enough, so I narrow the size of my nose once again. Then I use lighter shade to further define them. I think I have slimmed down at least 30% of my nose now. Do you see the difference? Next, I brush some shimmery light shadow on my tiger crease to make it less noticeable. For the eyebrows, I use a gray color, or you can use gray-brown color as well. Just don't go too dark and avoid making them too thick. Keep them slim, then brush them to make them look soft. Apply some eyebrows powder on both sides, and lastly, emphasize the center part of the eyebrows. Okay, now let's slim down my round big face. Use a darker shade on the edges of my face as you can see. Brush and tap the contour powder on it, and don't forget the neck as well. And after the cheekbones, don't forget the forehead. Apply on both sides too. Oops, I found my eyebrows has an angle that's too sharp. Now let's do the cheeks. Brush a light pink shade on them. Don't go crazy. Just tap a small portion on both sides. Then a little bit of rose pink, just a small part. If you are greedy, everything will go wrong here. Brush it to smooth it out. Now my face doesn't look that pale anymore. I feel alive again. Pat some loose powder to set everything and brighten the look. Okay, we are getting close now. I'm going to do the eye makeup now. Lightly brush the same pink shade on your eyelids, applying it softly to keep the color looking gentle. Now coming to the eyeliner. If you want to learn this hack to perfect the eyeliner, click the link in the top corner. After filling in the eyeliner with the hack, open your eyes and brush dark eyeshadow on the eyelid but not inside the hooded lips. Then soften it by blending in circular motions. The look is almost finished. Just need to enlarge my eyes here. Curl the eyelashes, apply mascara, and glue on false lashes. Not the volume style. I bought this one from an online store since I couldn't find this Asian style one. Do the other side too. I really like these eyelashes. They give you a clean look while still offering long lash extensions. Next, apply white eyeliner on the lower waterline. For more hacks to enlarge your eyes, you can watch my previous video. Use an angled brush to draw a line lower than the white liner to create another illusion of big eyes. Then extend your eyes horizontally by applying a darker liner on the inner corners, just a bit here. Otherwise, it turns into American-style eye makeup. Emphasize the beginning and end of the lower waterline, but don't connect them yet. You want it to look soft, not harsh. Do you see my eyes look much bigger? For the lower eyelashes, glue them on my fake waterline. You will be surprised that most people won't even notice, especially men. Almost done. Apply mascara to make the eyes pop. Also, I draw some lashes to make them look fuller. We are getting there. If you have watched it from the beginning, you should be able to tell the difference. Alright, apply the Agelso eye makeup, adding a bit of a shimmery shadow on the fat under the eyes. Add highlighter on the nose tip and bridge, and cover the nose sides with some finishing powder. Use a lip gloss in the same color tone. My lips are too full, so I have to cover them a bit to create a heart shape on my upper lip. While Asians try to make their lips look smaller, Americans try to make them look fuller. Quite interesting, right? As you can see, my face is quite flat, so I have to draw the cubus bow and philtrum column to add more depth. Cover a bit of my lower lips and use a lip liner to define the shape. A little more touch up, then we are done. Last, add a bit of a shimmery shadow on the inner corners of my eyes. We are one step away from the final result. I need to style my hair like the Douyin girl. This is so much girly than my usual look. I need time to get used to it. Oh, I almost forgot this colored contacts. I'm using gray ones, though they kind of look like brown. Here we go. Do you like my Douyin girl look? Do I look close to the Douyin girl? Leave a comment. I feel like a teenager again. My eyes are way bigger without even doing my usual smoky eye makeup. Don't leave so early because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the TikTok video I created. Ouch!
Oh my god. It looks very unique. It's very hard to recognize you with these eyes. Your eyes are looking bigger and you're using the contact lens.
Yes. What color can you tell?
Definitely brown. It looks like you're going for dress up in Japan.
Do you know what's the makeup of this one? Do you know Douyin?
No.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep me going. It's really tough for small YouTubers to get noticed these days.
Are you breaking up with me?
Yes.